Kalinga. So kasama na po rin yung mga kagawad natin. And siyempre sa ating major sponsor, Honorable Congressman Rudy Cavagdan, Honorable Board Member RG Cavagdan, Honorable Municipal Councilor Dave Paul Cavagdan, at sa bisita po natin sa gabing ito, Honorable Municipal Councilor Eni Molina. Welcome to our first function. Unang posisyon ng bola, Quinapon City, Jackson Glass Team. And now, Siago, one of the smallest guys of Jackson Glass Team, at itatay ng position, Samantala. Bago po rebound. And remains again, and a starting. Oh, Yosef Nicolas. First pass is 9. So, ayan. So, yung Langgido Brothers ay nahahati sa gabi ito at magkalaban yung magkapatid. So, sa ating battle for undefeated team. Oh, Mr. Reverse layout from Sabati. And so, for the chance for Jackson Glass Team, the Bawan, to extend the ring in this beautiful position. And now, say, so, Langgido. Cover the ball, we're mid-high up, open up with it. And now we'll say, stop and pop. Best again. So, ayan, medyo pinahirapan din. So, nang Quinapon City Jackson Glass Team. So, namakabas na dito, ang double pitch na yan. Samantala Tejero. Inikot siya bola. Sayago. Suji, tapos ilalapit siyang bola. Nakiraan! Sabi na referee natin. So, referee angle, blowing whistle. At traveling violation, inabot. Ito si Sergio Lasarte versus sa defense of DPW Medjaya Team. So sa lahat po na nandito, magandang gabi po. So siyempre sa lahat ng mga senior citizen natin, so na nakaantabay sa ating laro. Ito na. So natupad na rin pangarap na magkaharap yung kaparehong walang talong kumpanan. So samantala sa atin na ito si Yago, ano po tayo, Langgido. So, nagkatrabaho sa bandang ilalim ngayon. So, it's a very nice defense sa panig naman. So, ng Mitsayang team. At ito yung pagkakataon ng Mitsayang team na makuha yung kalamangan for the first match now. There's Delia, driving the ball, guarded by Nero. Inside pass! Oh, what a nice! And that's definitely Manuel Sabati. So, yung kinukuha sa area defense at defense ngayon. So, ng Mitsayang team, para maiwanan ni depensa ng Jackson Glass Team, Lasarte. Dapat natin the outside pass. Tejero, 3-pointer yan, sumuplay. Samantala, Langgido, ilalapit siyang bola. Isa pang pick, dalawa pang pick. Palobo, pasok! Langgido. So, ayan, nakikita natin na nangingibabaw yung pagkabitirahan na rito sa Langgido pagdating sa ganyang action sa ilalim. Samantala, oh, Rebels team. And now, there's Langgido drive in attack, and Langgido again, yes! So yeah, Raymond. So, best brother. Pero kalabas lang ngayon dito for Mitsayap team. And now Letran, decided from the outside, miss. And Sayago, grab the ball. And now inside pass. And that's so basket from the weekend. Apple Galandres. And so, ito na. Doon din naman may score yung line-up. Nandiyan si Quinapon City. Langgido drop pass. And now we're staying short. Rebound by CJ Lasarte. So ayan, so last meeting na makita ko sa CJ naglaro. So sa Barangay Josipo. So for team Arakan, samantala 3-pointer pass. Samantala, Langgido secure ball. And now to Santos, samantala. Now Delia, grabbing the ball. Delia, take out pass. Decided from the outside. Yes. But referee, blowing his whistle. And a personal foul against wearing jersey number 8, Langgido, for Quinapon City Jackson Glass Team. So ayan, umito ito sa referee Albert. So Tarin Ranka. So for a foul. And so for Delia, Glenn. So ayan, makes his first free throw. Kadid po sa atin yan ang Barangay Council at si Council ng Barangay Saging. Barangay Subdivision. At ito na. So walang kailangan na ipinasok ng si Patrick Bautista. So ayan, so balik na sila dito. Puso na natin yung last break mo. June, medali. So, napalit na ng players na natin. Ayan, less than 7 minutes to play in this first round of action. Once again, magandang gabi po para may Cycling Magkalala North Cotabato. Tejero, now to si Gina Sarte. Inside pass! But there was a call. Pwede pa dito na bangka. And we have a holding foul charge against with jersey number 21, Landidu. So nahawi niya. Ito kabagsakan sa ilalim. Samantala Patrick. Now, from Jason Tejero, inikot yung bola sa Iago. Yun, mula sa parking lot. Sumapply, follow shot, masagan. Ano mo secured. First na body na Her Santos. Nagpapaba ng bola, inikot sa gitna. Belia, wide open, 3-goal na yan. Sumapply po Belia. And now, Patrick Pagosta. Ito yung malalarang mahilig sa hang time. Huwag yung bola kay Tejero, losing the grass, no problem. Self free sa panig niya dyan kay Gastel. Pwede i-trace yun, pero pinababa. At napaganda na pumasok ng Tera. Samantala, ito yung bola ulit. Three-pointer, mess. Ayun sa body. Ito yung bola sunod, Belia. Ilalapit yung bola, Belia. Palobo, mess. And now, so we have another charges. And there's no foul against wedding dress number 14. That's for Sabati. And this is the first personal foul tonight for Sabati. So ayan, magkakagulig ko lang kay Dr. Anto sa Karagotero. So, ito yung nakapartner ng Jen Langit. So, ito yung speaking about. And now Seiji, bounce pass! Oh! Got it for rebound. And now the Landers are once again for the big man. So ayan, 0 out of 3 attempts. And there's Belia. So medyo nag-practice sana sa ilalim. And there was another call. And a personal foul again. Sweating jersey number 00 for Seiji Lasati. And no break runs for Sabati for out of shooting foul. So for all 3 minutes in charge. So yeah, all 3 minutes in charge of session. So referee at the same time. So kagawa dito and district deputy commissioner and Sir MP. And referee Tori Branca and David Valley. Oh, it's Seiji top of the key. Seiji drive and Seiji attack. Reach it! And now it's happening on the run. And now it's a nice drive. And Sabati. And it's Iago on the right. Iago. Never missed the call. And referee Toribanca says good position will stay for Team Jacksonville's substitution. And Victor Cordero, Checa and the request of Apple Villanes. Ito na yung iba pang adjustment ng Team Kinabaw City. Samantala. Or Sergio Ramos, and they got past Tejero from downtown. Bam! Another big basket. So from the outside by Jason Tejero. Belia in trouble. Belia underneath, inside pass. And Sergio Lasarte secured the ball for rebound. And now given the smallest guy, say Iago. And there's Sergi, open for 3. Another big basket from Lasarte. Pangalawang 3-pointer na yan. So from Kinabaw City team. So less than 5 minutes to play. And this, a burst for the Bashi. Hello, Australia. Attack and hit it drive. Oh, what a nice! And the third attack from Australia. So did you see Australia? Same Allen. For the basket. And there's Seiji Korn. Seiji, they got fast. Tejero once again from the outside, not this time. For Tejero, there's Australia, forward pass. And now, with a nice drive. And of course, there is the presence of Mr. Sorena Casio. So ayan, they are. So sa team for tama. Kaya ibigay na din yan. So samantala Sergi umaararo, napiran. At yun. So pag natatawa ka, si Retro-Retro ka dito. And a personal foul against number 21, Style. And we have a timeout requested by Team Kinapawan, Jobs Class. Isang bay naman po rin mga kaibigan sapagkat magbabalik po kami after this break. Alright, welcome back and magandang po sa mga officials natin dito. So, Barangay Council officials and SK Council official ng Barangay Salga Matalagang Canamato, hindi kay Barangay Captain Ann Kawagan, SK Chairperson, Chester John Morena, siyempre sa ating major sponsor, Honorable Musman Rudy Kawagan, Honorable Board Member RG Kawagan, Honorable Municipal Councilor Dimple Kawagan. At sa lahat ng mga bisita po natin sa gabi nito, maligayang paglalakbay. Samantala, Reggie, tanong bahay tayo. Bautista, turnaround J. And now, let's back to Quezon City. Doper Street. And now, here's Tabay. Try to get the handle. Take a pass. Pagalia drive. Pagalia forcing the issue. No problem for Pagalia. Palo-palo yung tira ni Pagalia. Samantala, Bautista on the drive. Oh, what a nice response.
Shout out po, labi na kung nangluod ka ba?
Walang nakakahirap na predict sino yung mananalo sa mga driver ng Venezuelas. At si G lost the ball, another style, losing the glass, no problem. Another day na tonight. So this is our quarter big day lang. Last Sunday for 3, Master CG. And now, losing the glass, no problem for Singapore. And now, let's start the Team Kinapawan. And there's Tabay. Wait. There's the style. Nice side pass. I know. There's the pass. Nice pass again. And now, here's Tabay. Shutting down to 7 seconds. And now, try to fire. Miss. And it was secured with Patrick Bautista. Bautista drive. And Bautista third fire. Miss. Boy, Patrick Bautista. Less than 2 minutes to play in his first deduction. And here's Tabay on the drive. Bonus pass. Decided from the outside. Yes. Better style. And now Victor Calvero, forward pass. And Jason Tejero continues to drive. And we have a timeout requested by DPWF, Lagsaya, North Cotabato. Ito yung one team. Balik sa Pagkanan, Quezon City. Yung 2 puntos sa Pagkanan. So, ayan. So, i-announce mo na rin. Yung only coach lamang yung pwedeng tatayo dito para hindi ka magiging masalimuot yung laro mo natin. So, ayan yung binibigyan natin ng karapatan na tatayo dito. So, para sa i-handle yung team, yung coach lamang ko. Maraming salamat. Balik muna kami sa base. Hello, what's up? So ito yung live na action na dito naman po makikita ng libre po sa baluarte po ni Barangay Captain Ann Kawagan, SK Chairperson, Chester John Kalinga. Siyempre, so patuloy na rin yan nung suporta rin ng lahat ng mga barangay kagawad natin at isang kagawad. So ito na yung major sponsor po natin, Honorable Musman Rudy Kawagan, so Honorable Board Member RG Kawagan, and Honorable Municipal Councilor Madam Dimple Kawagan. Samantala, another miss again. Yes, okay. At mukhang nahuli na rin natin po si Sayago sa foul sa ilalim. So, yung contact. So, sa kanya, contact yung bola. And it's the first personal foul for Sayago tonight. And third team foul for Team Kinapawan. And now here's Tabay. Top of the day from downtown. Miss. First break, miss again. It was secured by Edward Galvero. And our strategy, the before. Galvero attack, and Galvero out of trouble. Recover by Galvero. And now, Sayako baseline drive, take that pass, and Bautista oh, what a nice basket from Patrick Bautista. So yan, nagkapit pa sa Eri bago bitawan yung bola. Samantala, Medrano, inside pass. Oh, very nice pass. A big finish from 20. 24-20. So 4 points lead for the Golden State team. With the seconds to play. And we have a mid-court violation. And now opposition go back to Deputy Mitsaya of North Cotabato. 24 seconds remaining with a 2 position game. Ayan, sa kabilang team. Dahil sumubra pa yung oras natin sa 24 seconds shot of Manalo. Samantalang habang ilalapit sa bola, iniko sa kaliwa. O kanan ng Canella, kaliwa po tayo. Samantalang Vista, exit pass. Oh! And now we're saying a very good pick up from Nicolas Medrano. Dumadakdak rin sa sayap ko, Medrano. Last 13 seconds. Oh, nervous again. Around last 7 seconds remaining. Oh, we have a call. The reference calling his whistle. Their ball will charge again. Winning jersey number 21. And 6.9 seconds remaining in this first motion. And we have a bonus free throw for Patrick Bautista. And Bautista on 3 points free. 5 seconds remaining. And now 1 second. Oh, first score, 2 points basket. And now, so our final score and our first motion. 27-24, 3 points lead for Team Kidapawan. So standby naman po rin ng kaibigan para po sa second period of action. Ibabalik ko po muna sa Vision Broadcast natin. Magandang gabi po. Barangay Sagi, Magalawa, North Cotabato. Alright, welcome back and welcome sa ating second period of action. Nahandog po sa inyo sa ating major sponsor, Honorable Congressman Rudy Cohondan, Honorable Board Member Arjun Cohondan, Honorable Municipal Councilor Jeffrey Cohondan. Siyempre, kasi ito mangyayari kung wala yung samahan natin Barangay Council at City Council, headed by Barangay Captain Ian Cohondan and Executive Person Chester Kian Halima. So ayan, magandang gawin po sa ating mga on-duty natin na mga kita. Bayan Samantala Cowboy, Huerte, and I will say from downtown, by the stall, and Lasarte, Chico de Ball, now to Bridgie Yumagi, there's Yumagi, Ito Galvero, and then the baseball call against number 13, that's for Davao. And then the Matsman and bounce for the Jolly Yaro. Ano sa Patrick Bautista, para sa Vista, ilalabas yung bola Patrick, tinilangan! Wow, paso! Patrick Bautista! So ayan, walang pag-alinlangan tira sa labas yan. So mula kay Patrick Bautista, samantala. So extended pass, ito naman, ito pa si Diti, Tabay. Ayan, by the fire, oh, no problem! That's from the outside, tama. So ito na, so dumilikit na naman yung DPW Mitchell team ng kaibigan. 29-26, 3 points lead. There's Patrick, grabbing the ball, Bautista and Cowboy, and Lando, and now, oh, check out by Medrano. Nakakabali sa Kalkal, and then yung Magi, Bautista, so yung simpat at saka, so nagping Kidapawan for second and third chance po, na pumasok doon. Samantala, there's Tabay, grabbing the ball. Guarded by PG Umagi. Samantala, Tabay. Ginagawa ni PG. Tabay pa rin, bitangan ng bola. 8 seconds to shoot. And there was the charges. And a personal foul against number 7. And that's for PG Umagi. And outside them going for DPWTV Sayang. And there's this time for 7 and 5.
The purpose is
Samantala, Bistal. Hello, Australia. Take a pass. Let's see. So, let's go. Pagkatapik yung bola, papalabas at tinawagan ng Musmulon yung Bitsayang team. And we have a substitution for Team Bitsayang. Language will take it back to request Huerti. Side line going. So, ito si Victor Guildaro ng Team Ginabawan. Si Lasarte, guard by Langino. Lasarte. Sinante makapuno niya kapag dalawa na kumukuha sa kanya. Baseline drive. Lasarte isa pang pick. Lasarte. Drive pa rin going is less now. We're troubling violation charges against CJ Lasarte. So, clear rin si St. John. Say, halin, tatlo at apat halos na yung kumukuha sa kanya para i-defense yung tamaw ng dapaw. Samantala, 8 minutes remaining in the second period of action. Once again, magandang gabi po sa ating mga estudyante natin dito ngayon. Mag-aaral po tayo ng mabuti. Si Yesco Sports, photographs po tayo. And there's Belia, ilalangit yung bola. Belia, isa pang pick. Palomo! Nagalawa ng basket. Repo secured by Langino. Samantala, ito si Peji. Kawit na. Inikot siya bola. Ito si Patrick ngayon. Ayan, didiskarte dito. Patrick, sasalaksak.
Ay!
Samantala, may agaw mo tayo. And di ako charges. Oh! Bonus vessel. So, may nagpuka sila. Extra sa arm movement. First point na po sa Canada. And it's an offensive foul against number 13, Taban. And we have a 1-3 for Tigitayan against Bitsayang team running the referee's call.
Review na ito.
And it was now position for Bitsayang team. Bistal out, replacing number 6, Santos. Ito nga, this is the technical break ko. So, let's show her. So, maging Protesta. Pasok pa rin yung technical break.
Shout out, Makmak.
Ito na, plus goal position. Yeah, 7:54 time remaining. And yes, second period motion. Samantala. And sa PG. Parang bahagi po tayo. Boss pass to CJ Lasarte. Against the two defenders. Boss pass, Umagi for 3! And this is an easy basket for PG Umagi, throwing the ball from the outside to skip the defense a bit sa'yo team na Bibigan. Tumama naman at pumasok. Samantala, 26-24. Angat sa wala yung tanangan. So, nang pinapawag sa team, another ball for the big man, CJ Lasarte. Second personal foul for CJ Lasarte. Second team fouls for Kidapawan City. And yung mas substitution. So yan, ayaw nila isipan, napaka-aga pa. To commit to personal foul din si CJ Lasarte. Kaya pumasok yung big man. So at yan yung product ng Kidapawan City, Apple Bilandres, para pagpahingahin si CJ. Tabay, 3-pointer, rest. At ito, pagkakataon. So, nagkita mo City team to extend their lead sa kanilang parabang position. We less than 7 minutes to play na kaibigan in the second period action. And another substitution for this team. And Litran and Salvati to replace Tabay and Midrano. So, ayan. Ito yung first time up to the City team sa Barangay Yosipo. So, samantala, PG extra pass. And here's Bautista. now, Langido taking a pass to Victor. Oh, very good finesse. And the 10-point lead for Kinabawan City. So, ito yung unang pag-harap. So, ng Kinabawan City team and DPW team dito sa makilala area yata. Ano yung nagkakamali? Sa Barangay Saging. And there's Belia, sasalaksak. Belia Kinabawan, there was a call.
Wala, Peter.
Personal foul against Rangers number 7, PG Umadi. Second personal foul. Umadi setting down. Reflection sa Yago. So ayan, so discovery ng DPW dito, pinapasabi nila yung ginawa sa team para mapapaul trouble. Gumagana naman yung kanilang Apalia, 3-pointer, pass. And now, it's a short jumper. Oh, no problem for Santos. 20-37, 9 points lead for Team Kinabawan. Ano si Yago, dahan-dahan dribble habang pa-break sa basket. Langido, kanang bahagi mo tayo. So, pag Langido, balik si Yago ang bola. Magkasta, now, Guerrero, pass. Ano, there's Langido, guarded by his brother. Take a pass. So Yago, ilalapit yung bola, ilalabas, Langido, Palobo! Not this time. And now, meron mo si Ben, liparan sa rebound. And again, so nakikita natin na medyo nababaon mo din sa rebound situation. So, Drayman's the one, yung lang, pag nabawan, nabibitin yung kanilang center doon sa Mandalagalia. Nakikita yung bola. Another call. And we have an offensive foul against Rangers number 14, Sabati. So, nagkaroon ng pag-atuwakan doon sa bandang Mariwag Solo. Pero ayan, so sanay na sila sa litong bakbakan ng Midsaya team. So, sila mga pressure game. So, pag-isabit sila ng sanay sa litong bakbakan ng Midsaya team sa Mantala. And ang Vilandras, look at that. Oh, Guerrero pa! Yossi Pass! No problem! And Coach Di Baba requesting assist fire for just 9.8-41 in favor of Team Kinabawan. Ibabalik po muna namin sa Bishop Request natin mga kaibigan. Magandang gabi po para kay Sagi. Magkilala North Cotabato.
Shout out, Sir Dexter. Happy watching.
And now, welcome back. So, from time out, titignan mo natin kung anong adjustment mga kaibigan yung magaganap or gagawin niya ng DPW sa yung team para pigilan yung napakaganda inilaro dito na Kinabawan City team. Samantala, Langido. Take on pass, Langido, forcing the fire, probably outside. BAM! And it was a very nice timeout for Midsaya team. Makapag-establish na dito ng isang 3-pointer. Samantala, Vilandres, inararo sila Langido, Vilandres, nakiraan, sumabay yung atake. Samantala, Belia, saving the ball. Belia, and Belia attack. And there was the charges. Their personal foul against Rangers number 8 for Jeffrey Langido. Second personal foul and warning for penalty. Kinabawan City team, 14 fouls. And auto breakers for Belia. And so for Belia, this is not straight. Atin po sa atin yan. So ang ating barangay council at isi council ng barangay Saging.
Mag-live down niya, i-watch out ang mukha na.
Honorable Board Member Archie Kawagdan. Municipal Councilor Dilipur Kawagdan. So ayan, samantala sa Yago, pinilisan ko din yung atake sa Yago. Logic at pass ng Mogrian. At yun, matatawagan ng loose. Yan, last touch dito, loose ball, yung Mitsayap team. And you have a substitution for Team Kinapawan. And Victor Delgado, sit down. And back in action, CG Lasarte. And on CG, Sayago. Back to CG, the line. And set pass, Apple Bilanders for sure. Jay Lance, rebound by Sabati. Parang mamitas na sa palok sa rebound sa Sabati, Samantala. And there's Belia. And now we see. Cross pass, and Lakido. Another call. And referee Mugaling blows whistle for a foul. And we're in penalty situation. And now back to the action, Jason on the helm. And so far, we are now on penalty situation for Team Kinapawan City. And we have the operators for DPWD Mitsayap team. Pagkakaroon ng Mitsayap na makapag-stall dito na patay yung oras natin. So, samantala, alam dito. So, ayan. So, with his first free throw, atin po sa atin yan ang Barangay Council Officials, headed by Barangay Captain Ayan Fuantan, SK Council Officials, headed by SK Chairperson, Chester Jan Kalinga. And our Sergi, 34-41, Lasarte drive, and there was a foul. And a black ball charges against
34-41, lamang Japsi.
And one more penalty. Mitsayap team for team fouls. Less than 4 minutes of play in this first half of action. And now Sayago dribble the ball. And there's Sergi. Pasisip ng play si Sergi kung may bahagi po tayo. Sa gitna, Lakido. Bilanas na lang, jumper, pass. Pero si Trevor Sabati to Belia. So sa mga mahusay na punter din nila, Mitsayap team si Belia. Samantala, there's Janelle, Lakido, turning by. And now, a personal rejection. There's Sergi on the drive. And Sergi attack, rejected. Bilanas for the book. No problem. And now we see, there's Santos attack. Busted Santos foul. Interpersonal foul against running jersey number 9. And that's for Bilandres. And Bilandres letting down to replace number 24, Patrick Bautista. So medyo unti-unti na rin napapang trouble dito yung Kinapawan City players. Kaya sinamantala naman na ang Mitsayap team yung pagkakataon na atakihin at both teams. So next call, considering na pinag na rin, nabilang ko po natin. So masasabi na rin natin na kung ka nasa pinag na rin yung kabilang team. Kaya samantala, si Yago, Seji, kanang bahagi po tayo. Sa lukong Delitran, Seji, atake, and we have a foul again. Another foul goal against Rangers number 7, Delitran. So ayan. And now we're in penalty situation. And we have a substitution for Mitsayap team. And back to the action, Cristal to replace Letran. And we have a Petros for CG Lasarte. And Lasarte makes his first free throw. So may isa pa rin. Ang katid pa sa atin din. So ang ating just honorable Guzman, Godi Kawagan. Honorable board member Archie Kawagan. Honorable municipal councilor Dimple Kawagan. For Lasarte. At ito po, may palitan ng players na panig lang. Kinapawan City team. Tabayosa, for the first time, papasok at pinalitan. So itong Sergio na pinagpapawisan na. So ayan, we have 5 minutes remaining in the second period of action. So ayan, sa mga nandito nga pala na nagliwang ng kanilang kaarawan, happy birthday po. Sa mga nagliwang naman ng kanilang anniversary, happy anniversary and God bless. Samantalas Belia. Oh, what a nice attack and Belia. Whoa! A very nice drive from Belia. 39-45, a 6 points lead for Kidapawan City. Sayago fire, missed by Sayago. There's Bautista, recover the ball. Take out pass to Sayago. There's Sayago. And Bautista fire, probably outside. Lucky bounce to the basket. Not Bautista. And now Lando, Redmond Mayosa. And the trouble, bounce pass. Bistal, driving forward. Bistal. Drop it by Lasarte. And now Sayago on the drive. And Sayago fire. No heading for Sayago. And now back to 10 points lead, Kidapawan City. And last 2 minutes. Oh, it's stolen by Bautista. And Bautista fly in attack. Mash. Recovered by Sayago. Bautista for 3. Shoot for Bautista.
Tero.
Alright, let's put the hero. It's a loose ball call. Rather for this with the hero. And we have a substitution. Healthy to replace Ramgido. With less than 2 minutes to play. And yes, first of action is scheduled for second period. And our Spelia driving the ball. And the line. Open for 3. Miss. The hero secure the ball. The hero in trouble. Recover. Intercepted the Bistal. Oh, that's healthy. But a good finesse from Bistal. And it's Lord and Southwest 3 for Mitsaya team. 41-49, 8 points to 14 Kidapawan. And now, there's the Yago. CJ Lasarte drive. Lasarte o Mararo. But referee empty blowing his whistle. Another foul ball charge against number 14 for Sabati. Semi-warning for foul out. Third personal fouls, penalty. And
Busy ba na, coach?
CJ Lasarte. So ito yung import ng Kidapawan City team, CJ Lasarte.
Score 49-41. Kidapawan.
Last 1 minute and 9 seconds. And the second period of action, 50-41, 9 points lead for Kidapawan City team. And the starter for second throw, it's no problem. And we have a substitution. And now Taubay, check it back to replace Santos. 51-41, so kanina nakadikit na yan, 6 points lead. Pero maganda yung adjustment ng Kidapawan City team. Kaya bumalik sa 10 yung kanilang kalamangan dito. Samantala Belia, nakiraan, Belia, take out pass. And there's Bistal, bounce pass. Oh, what a nice attacking basket from number 14, Sabati. A seconds to play. You know, there's Bautista. Underneath, CJ Lasarte. Oh, this ball is falling by Belia. And Taubay drive. Oh, messing up. And back up for Lima. And this one, Tamayosa. And in here, team ball violation. And ball position. Yes. So go back to team Kidapawan. And Tamayosa for sideline throw-in. 27.4 seconds remaining. And this first half of action. And now Sayago. So ayan, medyo mahaba-haba na. Inilalaro si Sayago. Sa action na to. Tamayosa, sasalaksak. And Seiji reverse. Passing! And referee Tony Franco blowing his whistle. And the ball charges against red jersey number 21, Bistal. And semi-warning for foul out Bistal, third personal fouls. And bonus break room for CJ Lasarte. So, ating pa sa atin yan, ang Barangay Council, ang Barangay Samin, kasama ang ating mga sponsor. So, ating mga sponsor, ang Guzman, Rudy Kawagdan, Honorable Board Member RG Kawagdan, Honorable Municipal Councilor, Team Paul Kawagdan. And there's Belia in trouble. And now, runner Sabati. So, ayan, bago ang lahat, may tinawagan ng foul. So, ball against number 00. Lasarte yung tinawagan, sabi ni referee din magaling. At bad news, semi-warning for foul out. So, for CJ Lasarte, third personal foul. And 2 free throws for Sabati. So, ayan. So, this is first free throw.
Rebound!
So, ayan, samantala, may isa pa yan ko sa bati. Ayan, paloko, pinasinta sa magpay. Ayan, rebound sa third. Yes! And from first submission, 54-43. Roman points lead for the Roman team.
Score 54-43. Lamang Kidapawan po.
So, nakalamangan, 11 points lead ng kaibigan. So, baka nagabi po sa inyo lahat, ibabalik po ng sabay sa broadcast natin. Hello, welcome back. Once again, magandang gabi po sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon sa Barangay Sagi, Magdalena North Cotabato, Covered Court. Siyempre sa lahat ng mga officials natin, hindi ko Barangay Captain, Honorable Ayan Kumagan.
Yun natin mag-upload, Lord.
And sa ating ST Council members, sa ating ST Chairperson, Honorable ST Chairperson, Sister Jan.
Pang-uan, pang-upload sa page.
Ang duty po natin ng mga tipan. Secure.
Nagsabot pa sila.
So ayan, so pagdating naman sa outside shooting, hindi ka nagkakaroon dalawang kupunan. At doon naman nagdadali sa ilalim, hindi na positive team, yung Pinsaya sa pagdating sa kanilang offensa. Ayan. So limado na labing isang puntos ang kupunan ng Team Kilipuan, pero napakahaba pa po. So naglaro natin. At papasok pa po tayo sa ating third period of action. At mag-change score position na po tayo. And more position for Kidapawan City. Kaya samantala, Patrick Modesta sa loob. Pasa kay PG Umagi. Samantala, Tejero. Kusiji with 3 personal fouls. At Kusiji Lasarte umikot. Lasarte, mabibigyan yung bola, na-recover. At yun, we have a jump ball position. So, automatically, babalik sa kupunan ng DPWF Mid-Sayap Team. At ito yung pagkakataon ng Mid-Sayap Team na ibaba sa single digit yung kalamangan. So, nang Kidapawan City, papasok yung kanila offensa.
Shout out sa mga taga-Switzerland.
So, ayan. So, naghahanap ng pampong na yung official referee ba natin. And now, 34-43. So, di magpapatuloy. Samantala Belia, may tangan ng bola. Oh, the cover is stolen by Suji. Lasarte on the drive. Lasarte attack pass. And we have a loose ball call. And for position, still to take Kidapawan.
Walang makita namin.
And Umagi. Tejero from downtown. Yes. Now basket. And the referee says that's unsportsmanlike. Sinyas dito, Eric. And what's this discount for PG Umagi?
Wala pa kadula si Koyos. Wala kami kabalo. Asa siya mag-team.
Wala pa Kidapawan City. Pero yan, medyo sa mga officials natin for final.
At basketball lamang yan niya, di sumbagay.
So ayan, medyo pinabaan yung sentensya. So 1 point from plus ball position kasi pasok yung tera. So ayan yung kaibahan dito. Pasok yung tera. And yung Marvin. So ipinasok niyo yung technical point. Ball position to Hero.
Isang ball na namin saya.
Sulod ang takapolo, kung anong load-load niya.
Yun, may tulak sa likuran against CJ Lasarte. Bad news, pang-apat na yan sa import ng kinakuhan City team. And it was a solution for Lasarte. Back in action, Apple Glandres.
Layo pa kayo, third quarter pa.
Napagkahaba ko po ng action natin. Sa pag-throw po na, ito si CJ Lasarte. Samantala, sa body dragon try. Oh, nice drive! 41-57, 12 points lead for Philippines.
Pasigula siya, sir. Tabay.
Set pass. Under call again. Personal foul against. So that's for number 17.
Score 57-45. Japsi.
And now, Switching, take out pass. There's spot return. Stop and back. There's no time to play. Another basket from the outside. And Patrick Batista. And there's Tabay. Dribble the ball. He's shutting down for 15 seconds. Tabay. Gusto man magsayaw sa kanyang defender. Another call. Very Franca.
Hello, Jama. Kay wala ka.
Number 24, Patrick Bautista. And the first personal foul tonight for Patrick Bautista. We have a substitution for DP Development Sayap team. Back in action. Langido, Torre Plus Huerti. And silent Rowan by Tabay. Patikatan na Sayap na may babayong labangan ng Pinapuan City team. Samantala, Velia, Artema, recovered. And we have a call. Third foul against running towards number 8 for Jeffrey Langido. Semi-warning for foul, third personal fouls. So ayan, pangatlo na yan. Now we have a substitution. And Galvero back to the action to replace Langido. And there's Santos for punishment and ball. As it passes to Tabay. Ayan, marami pang pwede mangyari dito. 3-pointer yan kung papasok. May iba naman kasi Apple Glandres. Samantala KG. Sabi niya, so ikot lang, relax lang. And si Victor, baseline drive, Victor. And another call. And a personal foul against number 14 for Sabati. Warning for fouled out. And we have the replacement players. Medrano checking back to replace Abate with 4 personal fouls. Panyos lang si CJ Lasarte. And now, oh, it's a looseful call for the big man, Apple Belanders. Locker break for mid-Sayap team. Ball positions back. Another chance and opportunity to bring down the lead of Team Kinapawan. And now, Edmonds running this third period of action. There's Dalia dropping the ball. Now, the Tabay. Medrano try. And foul on the floor. And a personal foul charges against winning jersey number 10, Victor Galvero. The first personal foul for Victor Galvero. And now Tabay for a backward inbound. Jose Sherjumper. Bam! No problem for Galvero. 39-47, 12 points lead for Kinapawan City with less than 7 minutes to play in this third period of action. And there's Reggie Carr, take out pass, decided from the outside. Bam! Another pass from downtown by Victor Galvero. And now, there was another charges.
62-47, Japsi Glass.
Number 17 for Jason Tejero. First personal foul. And And our penalty situation for Kidapawan, 20 team. So ayan, hatid po sa atin yan, ating mga sponsor, hatid pa yung Honorable. So ayan, Congressman Rody Kawagdan, Honorable Board Member Archie Kawagdan, Honorable Municipal Councilor Denver Kawagdan, kasama ang Barangay Council
62-48. Jab Siglas.
Ayan Kawagdan, SK Chairperson, Mr. John Kalinga. Oh, support to
62-49. Jab Siglas.
No, it's Apple Pilatres on the ground on attack. Oh, no problem.
Idasok man.
Nagsunbaiting sa siya. Wala gani.
Yan ang
Kaya sa station, medyo masama yung magsatulog si General Liquido, kaya kinakailangan ipinga muna. So, ayan, maglalambingan yung ginawa mo na laro. So, cover teammate siya. So, nagkaharap na dito, si Baybay po, na kanilang samahan. Samantala yung Smigano, alabot yung bola kay Belia, harap mo natin si Pichi Umagi, boss pass. Samantala at Aba, isa pang fake, ilalabas yung bola, 3-pointer sa boss, passing! 50-64, babas na 12 yung kalamangan ng Kidapawan team. With less than 7 minutes to play, and this third period of action. And we have an offensive foul charges against Bilandras according to the referee. Ayan, Tori Franca. And semi-warning for foul on Apple Bilandras, third personal foul. So, yan yung tawag ni referee Nelbert. Ayan, Tori Franca. Ayan, no, 64-52, 12 points pa rin yung hinahabol na Mitsayab team. Samantala, as Reggie, recover by Bilandras. Bautista on the drive and Bautista fly. Using the glass, he best. That attack, but there was a charges according to referee. And a personal foul against Rangers number 11, Medrano. First personal foul for Medrano and warning for penalty. DPW Mitsayab team. And for the Breakers, but Bautista stayed a 4-point ball plus 39 in his final break. And on last break goes the Prada. 65-52, 13 points lead for Team Kidapawan. Elia guarded by Fiji. Now stay. This will call against Tabay. So maganda yung panggugulo doon ng Kidapawan City. Kaya tinawagan ng loose ball yung Team Mitsayab. 6:22 remaining in this third period of action. Once again, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. So, abangan nyo lang yung post ng SE. So, para sa ating next game schedule dito. So, samantala PG, stop and pop. Master PG. Take out pass again, Umagi. The hero, take out pass to PG. Open and fire. Another miss again. Santos to get the ball. There's Belia, penetration. Samantala Belia, stop and pop. So, ayan. So, mukhang una yung pito na referee sa ilalim. So, ayan, holding po.
Third quarter. Last 5 and 51.
So, ayan, yung nakita na referee ni Franca. So, foul call against PG Umagi. 5:51 time remain, dalawang free throw, first down by important people. Semi-warning for foul out for PG Umagi. So, marami malalaro tayo. Nagkakawa sa team yung nasa foul.
Anagid ma'am, na kay referee yun. Ang gamhanang pito.
Tapos, makes his first free throw. Atin po sa atin yan. Robot Congressman.
Grabe po.
Kasama. Robot Member Archie Kogdan and Municipal Councilor Jim Kogdan. Kasama ng ating Barangay Council, SK Council ng Barangay Saging Pagkilala. So, ayan, head na. So, kung makakabawag ng Kidapawan City sa dalawang dito na pumasok, kami sayaw. Sayaw, ilalapit yung bola sa Mantala. Nagkabirihan sa ilalim. ng Kinabawan City Team. Samantalang Tabay. Harley White Tenaro. Tabay. We have a foul. Personal foul against wearing jersey number 17, Jason Tejero. Second personal foul, penalty. And so we have operators for number 13, Tabay. Makes his first break. So kinukuha ng misaya. So sa free shooting, yung kanilang pagpapababa sa kalamangan ng Kinabawan City Team. So may isa pa yan for Tabay. No problem, no for two. So Tejero setting down and Yumangi back to the action. Last long 6 minutes to play in the third quarter of action. And now Sayago driving the ball. Sayago, Milandres, snap it. Rejected by Medrano! Huli ni Medrano! It's Milandres. Samantala Bronson. Now, there's Medrano. Santos, drive the car. Take out pass. And now, Tabay, di makaporma sa lalim. Ilalabas yung bola. Samantala Tabay, sasalaksak. Pasa sa likuran. And now, nice. Batting the rebound. Sayago on the drive. Milandres takes the ball. Recovered by Sayago. And now, Sayago. Dribble. Boss pass. Milandres, bibis ka drive. Pinatuloy yung kanyang balak doon. Samantala, we have the charges again. Oh, that's an offensive foul against the big man. So, suminyas na si referee din the MP for an offensive foul against Apple Milandres. Yun, may unsportsmanlike foul na, tinawag. Ayan, so only coach lamang yung dapat na dito na magpabot ng complaint. And here, so ating free coach. Yun, so ito si Medrano yung patitirahan ng referee mo natin.
Maraming effort, ha?
So ating natin for the free throws for deep in the red side of team. Medrano, that's his first typical break. So may isa pa yan. So medyo nagkukiriyan lang sa ilalim kaya ganun yung nangyayaring action. Pero ayan, so this is basketball. Ipairal po natin yung sportsmanship sa loob ng court. So ayan. And bad news. So 4 personal foul na rin itong si Apple Milandres. So katulad ni CG Lasarte. Samantala, 67-57, 10 yung hinabol ang Bisayang team, may oras pa. So, na makabalik yung Bisayang, kung kapala rin dito. Samantala, Tabay, sasalaksak. Oh, nice step. Milandres, ito na ba mo? No. And there's PG Umagi.
Ay, sa babol, mateknikal ta.
Kung makapag-establish yung score, hindi na kasi team sa kanila, malibang position. PG Umagi, PG, Milandres, boss pass. Del Gilberto to the pass. Ever secured by Bisayang team. And a down by a forward pass. And Santos ends it press. Medrano goes in. And now West from the outside with number 23.
Patrick.
And now Peji. Kaya diskarte dito si Peji. Samantala Peji. Milandres, ilalapit sa bola, sasalaksak, pasok! Apple Milandres. Less than 4 minutes to play in this third period of action. About the 12 points lead for Kinabawan City team. And now Tabay drive. Basket. And a foul charge against wearing jersey number 7. That's for Reggie. And there was an obstruction. And warning for foul out PG Umagi for personal fouls. Last 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Maraming players na ng Kinabawan City team. So yung po trouble ngayon. Samantala ng mid-set na atakin yung kanilang depensa. Samantala. And Tabay complete the 3 points play. So samantala. So ito si Sayago. Ay, siyam na lang yung kanilang kalamangan. 60-69. Sayago. Ayan, pa-dribble. Samantala Bilangas personal jumper. Lucky bounce and lucky basket for the lead man. So ayan. So balik sa double digit yung kalamangan. Nagkanabaw sa team dito. Samantala. Less than 3 minutes to play. And this third period of action. Tabay, Cardinal Victor. Silvero, next Tabay. Decided from downtown. In and out. And rebound secured by Sayago. Samantala. Sayago now to Apple. Milanes. First the ball is blue ball. Recovered by Michayati. Now Santos on the drive. And we have a foul. And a personal foul against Rangers number 24, Patrick Bautista. Second personal fouls, penalty. Third then Gustavo back in action to replace Daniel and Letran. And now 2 important free throws for Santos. 71-60, 11 points lead for Team Kidapawan. With 2 minutes and 24 seconds remaining, this third period of action. Santos misses first free throw. So ayan, natipos natin yan. Natin Barangay Council and SK Council ng Barangay Saging, Magkalalunod ng Kamato. Samantala. Second row, pasok niya yan. For Santos. And your foul, early foul, given by Bistal. And we are in penalty situation. Time out, Team Kidapawan. 71-61, 10 points lead for Kidapawan City. Ibabalik po muna namin sa vision broadcast natin mga kaibigan. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Score 71-61. Kidapawan.
Alright, welcome back. So sa ating third period of action, 71-61, 10 points lead, Kidapawan City team. Tingnan natin kung kayang dagdagan na Sayago yung kanilang kalamangan. And Sayago, next is first free throw. May isa pa po yan. Nakatid po sa atin yan. So, Honorable Congressman Rolly Cogdan, Honorable Board Member Archie Cogdan, and Honorable City Municipal Councilor Dimple Cogdan. Kasama ang Barangay Council at SK Council ng Barangay Saging. 73-61, back to 12 points lead. There's Tabay, Cardinal Victor. Gusto matipagsayo ni Tabay kay Victor Silvero, samantala. So, nagkabagsakan yung dalawa. So, ayan, Langido. And Bertie. Another foul against. So, ayan, number 8. Langido, warning for foul now. And you have a two free throws for Hawerki. Rocket rounds and basket for Hawerki. So, may isa pa yan. So, narito pa Hawerki. Ayan, 2-2 for Hawerki. Meka, 63-73. And ang Patrick Bautista, grabe na ball. And last full match. And now, Belandres drive. Yes, by Belandres. And ball secured by Mid-Sayati. Less than 2 minutes to play in this action. And now Tabay, guarded by Victor Gilvero. And there's Tabay underneath. Medrano, fake and drive, stop and pop. Miss. And ref was secured by Langido. Team Kidapawan. Now, Patrick Bautista on the drive. Bautista foul. Against number 11, Medrano. Second personal foul for Medrano. There was substitution. And now Belia back in action. To replace number 13, Tabay. And then the top reduce for Bautista.
Loading yun na, basta gwapo ng lola.
This is first free throw. At mahaba pa yung oras natin. So, may papasok po tayo ng fourth period process. At sampung yan ang kalamangan. At sanay na sa ganitong pagpukan sa loob ng court. Ang kukunan ng Bisaya, North Cotabato. Samantala Belia, at bahagi po tayo. And now, first Belia. Under foul. Personal foul against number 24 for Patrick Bautista. Semi-warning for foul on third personal foul. And top free throws for Santos. A penalty free throw. Santos gets his first free throw. Make it 9 points lead for Team Kidapawan. At may chance ang member ng 8. Nalaman kung papasok yung last free throw. Itong si Santos. Po sa atin yan, yung Major Spotter, Robert Morrisman, Rory Kaugan, pasok. For Santos. 73-65. Walo na lamang yung nahabol ng mid-sayap team. Victor Galvero on the drive. Galvero. Underneath. Nars Bautista. So ayan, pag-ibig sa bandang kanan po tayo. Bautista, gustong sasalaksak. Andun yung depensa. Bautista, isa pang peg. Palobo. Pasok! For Patrick Bautista. Ayan, balik sa 10 puntos yung kalamangan at pinapang sa team ng kaibigan. 75-65 yung kailangan po natin. Samantala, Belia in trouble after the defense of Victor Galvero. Belia. Now there was a foul. And their foul goal charge against jersey number 10, Victor Galvero. Second personal foul. And they have a best stick it now against. So ayan. So ganun po ang set team. So ayan. So they're going to the first call. So only the coach yung ina-allow natin dito na magpapabot ng kanilang concern.
Laban ni ref.
Substitution.
Iba pwede.
And Langido out. And back in action, Jason Tejero. 37.3 seconds remaining. Lahat na. So, mabasa siya yung lamangan ng Kidapawan City team.
Ref, narami sa mong likod.
So ayan, next up ang free throw yan. And finally, first to play that number 17,
Oh, tanawa, tanawa.
you know, it's Tejero. Grabbing the ball. The seconds to play in this period. Take on pass. Rosayago underneath. Check down the 8 seconds. And finally, Benatres. And now Belia grab the ball. Number shot clock. And now, Jerry Santos. 2 seconds remaining. Villa Belia tie. And the third version.
End of the third.
77-68.
Period.
9 points lead for Team Kidapawan. So ayan, standby lamang po kayo.
77-68. Kidapawan.
Balik po muna namin sa basic podcast natin. Magandang gabi po. Barangay sa ating magkailangan ng Cotabato. sa mga official natin yan, 10% lamang yung inalam natin yan. So, kung hindi papasok yan, so, balik at kapitan yung prices natin. So, 10 players, so, 10 shooter lang. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So, well. So, ayan. So, bilangin natin, sumubra niya yata. So, ayan. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Ayan. So, see, our shooter number 1. So, ayan. 1,000 pesos yung tumingan. So ayan, hindi na binigyan ng pagkakataon ng siyam na makatira dito. So ayan, dami nagsisisi. Bakit huli sila pumasok sa gitna? So ayan, 1,000 pesos sponsored by Barangay Captain, Honorable Ayan Kogan. Ayan, for the first time natin nakikita dito na yung unang tumira, pasok agad, hindi na nakatira. Yung kasunod pa.
Nakakigsugal ba?
Samantala, balikan po natin yung ating fourth penalty version. 77-68. Ayan, sa 9 points advantage for Team Pinapawan. Tatlong 3-pointer lang yan. Mga kaibigan ko pa pala rin, mid-side team, makakadetikas na dito. So, may 10 minuto pa lang tayo. So, may mag-readers is nice room yan na yung kaibigan natin. Hello, ball position. The score period reduction.
Jambol man, jambol kayo na.
Jambol!
Jambol.
Eh, gulay ka ba sa Kinabawan eh? Sa Kinabawan eh? Kinabawan gulay. Ay, sorry.
Ball position for Kinabawan City team.
Ibalil ka na yung singkat.
And Miguel Gilberto from midcourt angle. Pero Sayago, guard by Bistal. Samantala, inaasawa na ni Bistal kasi Sayago ay dito sa report period reduction. Si Gio Lasarte Omararo, Lasarte. And Lema foul. Personal foul against wearing jersey number 6. Mukhang si Santos yung tinawagan. And we have a substitution. And Bautista, so replacing PG Umagi. So ito yung early adjustment in the sport period version ng Kinabawan City team. And there's CJ Lasarte. Yon fire! Yes! Now, see you. Nice stop by John. Oh, Ness. It was in the Patrick. Stolen by. Now, Santos drive fly. Oh, no problem for Santos. And now we have a 7-point lead for Team Kinabawan. There's the hero underneath. The hero. KG. Take out pass. Gilberto from downtown. Yes. Yun, nandun na yung man-to-man defense ng mid-sire team sa report period version. Bella on the drive. Oh, yes. But we have a ball. And Gregory Clayton passes. That's an offensive foul against one jersey number. So, ayan. That's for number 12. And that's the second personal foul for Belia Chanay. So, pito pa rin yung kalambangan ng Kinabawan City team. Samantala, PG, ginugulo ni Tabay. PG, take out pass. The hero car. Yes! Tumama na yung bola sa lane. Kaya pumito na sa referee MP. So, Carlos po. Less than 9 minutes to play in the sport introduction. Ito na lang yung kalamangan ng Kinabawan City. Kapit mga fans, nibidikit na ang DPWH Mitsayap team sa ilalim kautusan ng kanilang head coach King Bamo and Mr. Ontal.
70-77. Kinabawan.
Sir, Marina Casio, Dr. Atol, Carpentero. Samantala. So, wala pang gaano kapag-establish ng score dito. PG Umagi, sasalaksak. Umagi on the dribble. Umagi underneath. And now, there was a foul. Another foul call against Rangers number 7, PG Umagi. Proud out. 5 personal fouls. And back to the action. Langgidu. So, ayan. So, medyo napilayan na yung pinapawang sa team sa paglabas. So, ito. Si PG Umagi nasa foul. So, foul out na. Si PG. So, wala na yan. Nabago sa score pa natin. 70-77. Pito pa rin yung kalamangan ng Kinabawan City. Samantala, Belia. Gandit Petejero. Tabay, lalabas yung bola. 10 seconds to shoot. Balik yung Belia ng bola. And there was charges. And there's a 3 seconds violation. 8 minutes and 3 seconds remaining in the sport period version. Ito na lang yung hinahabol ng Mitsayap DPWH team. And now, there's Lasante. Lasante drive, and Lasante attack. Yes, fighting for rebound. And now, there's Belia grabbing the ball. Belia drive. Oh, it's stolen by Jason Tejero. Tejero third. And Tejero drive. Yes, but we have the call. A personal foul against Rangers number 6, Santos. Semi-warning were fouled out. Third personal fouls. And 13 fouls for DPWH Mitsayap team. And we have 2 free throws for Jason Tejero for out of shooting foul. At yung problema dito, medyo inaalat na rin yung shooting ng Kinabawan City team. May isa pa po yan. So, for Jason Tejero. And now, Tejero. So, makes a second free throw. Samantala Tabal. So, back to 8 points lead for Team Kinabawan. And now it's Belia, guarded by Tejero. Shutting down to 13 seconds. Belia. And now Santos, pass to Belia. 7 seconds to shoot. Ilalapit yung bola. Belia, angat. Tapos yung atake. Samantala. Decided probably outside. Yes. And they was secured by Victor Caldero. And now here's Tejero. Stop and pop. Using the glass. No problem. Time out. DPWH Mitsayap team. 7:05 remaining. Magbabalik kami after this break.
Score 80-70. Kinabawan. Jamsi Glass.
Right, welcome back and magandang gabi po sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon, sa mga kasamahan ko po sa Marismen side. So, kasama natin ang ating SK Chairperson, Chester Jan Malinga. Siyempre sa lahat ng mga barangay council officials natin and SK council officials. Siyempre, sa ating major sponsor po, Honorable Congressman Rudy Kawagdan, Honorable Board Member Archie Kawagdan, and Honorable Municipal Councilor Ma'am Dimple Kawagdan. So, samantala. So, sa bisita natin sa ngayon ito, Honorable Municipal Councilor Eddie Molina ng makilala ng Cotabato. Oh, there's a basket round. Less than 7 minutes to play. 87-8 points lead for Team Kinabawan. And now si Sayago. Tejero in the lane. And Tejero. Grab the ball, and Tejero attack, and Tejero fly, miss. And now Langido secure the ball for the Mid-Sayap team. And Rascalia grabbing the ball, take out pass, three-pointer, miss. And Reba secured the Victor Rivero, but he wants the call against number 21, Langido for Mid-Sayap team. Second personal foul for Langido. So, ayan. So, that's our bounce, or 14 pounds, for Mid-Sayap team. And the sport period function. Chilling down the third. Sejila start the drive. Was it discount? Last foul. And a personal foul against wearing jersey number 17, Gasper Hoarty. Second personal foul tonight for Hoarty. And we have a bonus spread for the big man, Sergio Lasarte, ang mamaw ng Davao. So ayan, 3 points to the opportunity for Team Kinabaw. Nakasalali sa mga pamay ni Sergio. Yung kanilang pinagdagang palamangan. So ayan. So yung kiskisa ng Lagina Brothers. So bola lang, Mid-Sayap team. Samantala Tabay, inikot sa kita yung bola kay Belia. Karap si Tejero. Samantala, Langido, karap yung kanyang brother. Langido versus Langido yung matchup natin. Samantala. Tejero for drive. No problem for Jason Tejero. Hello, less than 6 minutes to play. Last 5 minutes and 35 seconds for this fourth period of action. And now Belia penetration. Belia by miss, but there was the contact. A personal foul against wearing jersey number 8 for Jeffrey Langido. Foul out. And a substitution for number 21 Langido. Back reaction sa Pati. So, dalawang manlalaro ng Team Kinabawan yung pinalabas na. So, sa ating aksyon dito sa Barangay Saging, magkalalaro ito ng Sports Center. And now, Belia misses first free throw. May isa pa po yan. 5:29 time remaining in the sport period version ng kaibigan. Magandang gabi po sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon sa Barangay Saging, magkalalaro ito ng 74-84, 10 points lead for Team Kinabawan. So kanina pang naghahabol, gusto makalikit na makalamang ng Mid-Sayap team. So yan, 3-pointer ni Gilbero, sum-apply. Hello, Belia forward pass. Oh, very good finesse. So number 14, Zapati. 76-84, balik sa 8, yung kalamangan ng Team Kinabawan. Bautista, take and fire, miss. And now, Mid-Sayap team on the run. And Zapati. A back-to-back basket from number 14 Zapati. 78-84, 6 points lead for Kinabawan City team. With less than 5 minutes to play in the sport period of action. And now Sergio Lasarte. Lasarte dribbling the ball. Lasarte getting down to 7 seconds. There's Sergio drive. 3 seconds to shoot, and Sergio attack, miss. And we have a 24 seconds violation. Time out, Team Kinabawan. So yan, standby lamang po kayo dyan mga kaibigan. Ibabalik po namin sa vision broadcast natin. Magandang gabi po, Barangay Saging, Matalang Alert Cotabato.
84-78, Kinabawan, Chapsi Glass.
Hello, welcome back. 6 na lang yung hinahabol ngayon ang Mid-Sayap team dito at may kahabaan pa po yung oras natin. 4:29 remaining the sport period of action. Once again, magandang gabi po sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon So, product of Barangay Saging at sa mga bisita po natin from different barangays or municipalities na nandito, maligayang paglalakbay. And now, it's now by dropping the ball. 6 points lead for Team Pinapawan. Select down to 10 seconds. And now, with an extra pass, Belia fake. And then there's the ball. But we have a call. Personal foul against number 17, Jason Tejero. Semi-warning for foul out. And semi-warning for penalty. So ayan, hayaan natin yung mga official referee yung magbigay ng kapasuhan. So ayan, so penalty done to two free throws for out of shady foul. And there's Belly, important free throws for mid-side of team. Para maibababa sa apat na tanangan. Ito na. So, 5 na lang. So, kung papasok yung isa, so make it 4 points lead na lang for Team Pinapawan. 4 all time remaining. So, ayan. 18-24. At ito magsabayan ang mid-side of team dito sa ating final period. Samantala sa Iago, guarded by number 7. And now, Velandras, Iago, select down for 10 seconds. But there was the charges. And a personal foul against wearing jersey number 14, Sabati.
Hold out.
Fouled out. And there's a big personal foul tonight for Sabati. Fouled out. And you're in penalty situation for the PWT mid-side team. And we have two free throws for the big man, Apple Velandras. And less than 4 minutes to play in the sport for the motion. Last 12 minutes and 54 seconds. And now we'll see important free throws for Team Pinapawan dahil nakakadikit na dito ang mid-side team. Velandras needs his first free throw. Sa atin yan, ang Barangay Council at City Council ng Barangay Saging, kasama ang ating Honorable Congressman Rolly Goldan, Honorable Board Member Archie Goldan, and Honorable Municipal Councilor Dimple Goldan. No problem for the address. About the 6 points lead for Team Pinapawan City. So ito yung pinagsamang PDH sa akin, Jack Siglas and Aluminum Supply Team. So ayan, samantala. Belia dropping the ball. Belia underneath, take out pass. Santos from downtown. Miss. And out the Tejero, secure the ball. A forward pass. Velandras down. Velandras back again. Goes Tejero. And there's Tejero, slowing down to 12 seconds. Tejero giving the ball. 7 seconds to shoot. Velandras fire. Bingo! And now, Santos take a pass to Belia. Last 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Shutting down to 13 seconds. And now it's now by drive. Out of trouble. 6 seconds to shoot. There's Tabal. And I will say fire. Miss again. And we have a push. And there's a foul goal charge against wearing jersey number 19, Sayago, pushing foul. Second personal fouls for Sayago. Warning for penalty, Team Pinapawan. Last 2 minutes and 49 seconds. 8 points lead for Pinapawan City. And now, that's the team for the ball position. Oh, basket from the outside. And now, 82-88. 6 points lead for Pinapawan City. Last 2 minutes and 36 seconds. And the final period. Tejero dropping the ball. Guarded by Belia. Tejero are in trouble. Tejero now. Velandras, 5 seconds to shoot. Lasarte, 3 seconds to shoot. Velandras attack. No problem for Velandras. Last 2 minutes and 19 seconds. And this final period. 42-19. 8 points lead for Team Pinapawan. For 10 seconds to shoot for mid-side team. There's Belia. 10 seconds. 8 seconds shot. Belia drive. Oh, miss. And there's Santos, still all of Bistal. Bistal take out pass, this side from the outside. Bam! Less than 2 minutes to play in a sport rated action. 84-90, stolen by Belia. Oh, there was a charges. Their foul call charge against wearing jersey number 24, Patrick Bautista. So ayan, nasa long to basket only yung tira sa bandang kaliwa.
Yes, fourth quarter na, last 1 and 44.
And warning for foul now, Patrick Bautista for personal fouls. And we have a no free throws for Belia. That's a penalty free throw. And now, Belia.
2 points na.
So ayan, 2 points na yung binigay na rin natin yung tira sa labas. So, pasok ako ng free throw si Belia. May isa pa yan. Last 1 minute and 44 seconds. Samantala. So, dumidikit na yung Bisayap din. Last, rebound secured by Apple Blanc. Problema din, hindi pumasok na last right to si Belia. Samantala. There's CJ Rasardi playing inside the court with full personal fouls sa yung Howard at the bow. And now stretching. And we have a municipal call. Time out. DP the Bullet mid-Sayap team. 1:33 time remaining. 85-90. 5 points lead Kidapawan. So balik muna kami sa base. Magandang gabi po.
85-90. Lapsi class.
So ayan, balik po natin balikan yung ating action. So, Bisayap versus Kidapawan City team. So, may palitan ng players for team Kidapawan. And Tejero, starting down. Yung si Victor Gilbero. Ayan, sa 5 points team for Kidapawan City team. 90-85, ball position ng Bisayap. Samantala, Belia decided for 3. Oh, best. It was secured by Alpha Velasquez. Now, Victor Gilbero, driving the ball. Gilbero underneath. Now, they got back to Sayago. Sayago. There was a foul. A personal foul against wearing jersey number 21. Bistal fouled out. Ayan, fouled out na. Ito si Bistal. At nasa penalty yung dalawang pupunan. So, parehong penalty na yung dalawang team. 109 time remaining, 85-90. Sayago versus first breaker. So, buhay na buhay yung mga supporters ng Kidapawan City team sa pagpasok ng tira ng Sayago. So, mula sa free throw line. 109 time remaining, 91-85, 6 points lead to Kidapawan City team. So, mula sa Sayago, isang free throw na yan. Hindi na walang basket. So, dala na rin yan ang kapaguran. Samantala, 6 points lead for Team Kidapawan. Belia grabbing the ball. Belia drive. Belia the dribble. And now, take out pass. Another pass from the outside. Santos open for 3, miss! So ayan, so nasa labas ng landing, yung players na tumapit, next sa 49.1 seconds remaining in the final period. Parehong penalty po tayo. So, parehong nagtig-isang timeout na lang yung dalawang kupunan. Now, Sergio Lasarte, Calcero, inside pass, Melandras, Sergio Lasarte, drive and attack! And the basket is good for Lasarte. And he gets a foul. So ayan, so ayan yung gagawin nila, offense intensity. So sa bigat, akas na offense na nitong si Sergio Lasarte, so bumagsak siya doon sa panig ng mga fans ko natin. Buti na lang, so walang napilayan doon. So yung medic natin, so for checking the situation of Sergio Lasarte. Pero ayan, so ipapagpag na rin si AJ. So ayan, but no problem po si AJ kasi pasok yung pira. Kung natitin natin. So kung makuha niya yung pasok yung bonus break row. 38 seconds remaining this final period. Napakaganda yung pagpapa na hinahanap ko sa inyo ng Barangay Sagit, officials natin. Siyempre, Honorable Congressman, so Rudy Cawagdan, Honorable Board Members Archie Cawagdan, and Honorable Municipal Councilor Jimbo Cawagdan, and Lawrence Tabay, and it's an 8-point lead. Ano, we say, oh, it's gonna recover by Patrick Papes at drive. And we're here on the charges. So, antayin natin yung pasyon ng mga replito natin.
Ganaan ko sa dagan-dagan. Na-inspired mo naman ang flower mo. Nandun ako, Eric lang.
And nasa bagay tao. So, and we have a second personal foul for Tabay. And now Bautista swinging the 4.5 does Nerlan for a technical free throws.
Nalay.
So, ayan. And there's a second personal foul for Tabay. And yeah. So, the returns from Bautista.
Perfect si Tapay.
Ayan, di ba naman to slam dunk, pero naabutan sa
One
noon.
hit sa own.
Bautista, most Spurs technical free throw. 85-93 in favor of the 116, 20.7 seconds time remaining. And this final period. Bautista second throw, no problem. And here was sideline going, or Tim Kidabawan. There's Alpha Belandras for inbound. And the foul given by wedding jersey number 7. That's probably try. And now we have a timeout. Requested by the PWL Mid-Chayab team. 19.4 seconds now remaining. And Mid-Chayab team, no more timeout.
I am out. Ang VP, 94-85, Kidapawan. Wala ka kita sa live. Ato, nakadiri.
wala lang pong timeout ang Mid-Sayaw team. So, kinapot Cindy, may isa pa. 19.4 seconds time remaining, dalawang free throw for Santiago. Santiago was the first free throw. Make it 10 points lead. Within the ball, 95-85. Santiago. And the last shot moment for the PWN Mid-Sayaw team.